Tesla Model Y completely tanks. Flood that left another car stranded in China. Completely tanks? What does that mean?
Yeah, it's a bit weird, but basically floats through the flood.
Tanks means floats?
Yeah.
Okay. Apparently one car is better than the other. Well, you know who this guy's rooting for? Ray for Tesla. What the... if you ever see the electric...
The lightning bolt?
In the Twitter...
Bio?
Yeah.
Yeah. They got a Tesla.
Isn't that funny?
That's like a lot of water, man.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Just filming while doing it?
Filming while driving.
No big deal.
The water is like almost higher than the wheel. So
This is crazy.
This is good.
How is this
possible?
Yeah, wouldn't it get wet inside?
Water?
Yeah. Doesn't water get into places?
At some point, it's got to. I mean, at some point, it's got to breach the
seals.
Those seals. But I don't know. Not enough pressure here, and I presume it's not super wet inside. But you're the Tesla guy, Mo, so go ahead.
I mean, this is kind of cool.
It's
got rugged.
As a shareholder,
right? Yeah.
As a large scale investor, how did Tesla do it?
I have no idea. I don't know, but this is cool.
Why is Tesla so good?
Elon.
Really? Oh, you do want to go into it?
No, I don't. What? You're asking questions. I'm giving answers.
Do you feel better? Like
I feel great.
Going through
I feel amazing.
Okay.
No, because you know what, Will?
Huh?
You imagine if you had the Bronco, that water.
Just drive.
You don't even see. You don't even feel it. That water with your drain plugs. Let the water come in.
Right. Well, you got drain plugs.
Let the water come in. You go for a bath in that Bronco.
Just wash my feet.
Yeah, maybe that's the way you want it. A little extra activity. So that's the comparison we need to see. It's not fair against that other sedan, that BMW or whatever it was. That's not fair. We need to see Bronco versus Tesla to get to the bottom of that.
All right.
So good thing you got both coming.
Oh.
We'll take them through the lake.